Hey, I'm Rebecca here with the Tailored Realty team, here to introduce you to our brand new listing over in St. Bonifacius, 3610 Fox Trail. Come on inside and take a look. The main level of this home is absolutely fantastic. It has a bedroom, it has a shower, it has laundry, and it has a beautiful open concept kitchen. This move-in ready home features 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 4 showers, fresh paint throughout, new carpet, and an amazing backyard. The lower level of this home has a huge rec room, a wet bar, a bedroom, and a bathroom. This home really does have something for everyone with space for the entire family. If you're interested in setting up your own private tour, make sure you reach out at team@tailoredrealtyteam.com.